Here we have a 2018 Lincoln Navigator L. The L being the extended version of these. The Lincoln Navigator went under pretty big redesign between 2017 and 2018. Kind of got its luxury back, if you would. The premium was put back in premium in the Lincoln name brand. A lot of wild equipment on the inside of this. The technology, 22-inch wheels, just very, very nice luxury rigs, especially for the size. I can tell you a little bit about this particular one. We're obviously a classic and unique car dealer. We do get some later model vehicles in from time to time as far as Corvettes and sports cars and what have you. We happen to have a boss that needs a larger SUV, has a daughter in hockey. If you know anything about hockey, you're hauling equipment. And yeah, by the way, did I mention she's a goalie? So yeah, there's a lot of equipment that gets hauled in the back of these. By the time you get some family and friends also going, you need the room. And that's what one of these Lincolns provides like this, especially the long wheelbase one. You get plenty of room, 3 rows of seating and cargo area. So along with all the luxury that you get in these, they're high predicted reliability rating. Also, if you take a look at them, like I said, you got 3 rows of seating, very roomy, plus cargo. Comfortable, quiet ride is the other thing that the reviews in the 2018s came out with. Believe it or not, it's a tow. I believe it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 8,500 pounds. The engine went under a little different boost or retune or redesign between 17 and 18 too. In 2018, 450 horse, 510 horsepower coming out of the turboed V6 engine in this. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions, help you out with this vehicle. It's a little over 22,000 miles on it now. Like I said, it will be driven some. Boss does take it to hockey with the daughter, so it will have a few more miles on it. So feel free to call, double check the exact miles on it. But right now it's figured between 22 and 23,000. 10-speed automatic transmission in these too was switched around from, I believe, the 6-speed in 2017. So if you're kind of comparing it between a 17 and an 18, there is a huge difference. If you haven't done any digging, start doing the digging. Like I said, 22-inch wheels, just a ton of equipment on this, from the power rear doors, the infotainment. I believe they still called it an 18, as far as with all the technology on the inside. And I mean, then there's, you know, just the ones you would figure as far as folding mirrors, power mirrors, steering wheel controls. On this one, yeah, which you have Wi-Fi, you have 4G capabilities. I mean, it's just, the list goes on and on and on. Just take a look at the door. Let's see what we have here. And you have your ventilated, heated seats, power seats, your windows, your mirrors, your locks, everything. Speaker system, stereo systems on these, unimaginable. All the steering wheel controls, driver information center, obviously your phone, the Bluetooth capabilities, dual climate controls, like I said, heated and ventilated seats. And this one, as you can see, has a saddle interior. This may be one of the most comfortable seats I have ever sat in a vehicle. Been in the car business 20 plus years. I think the first time I hopped in this with the boss, that was the first thing I said to him. Just like, wow, how comfortable are these seats? It's almost like a Recaro, nice, padded, cushioned, formed race seat for a luxury vehicle. Just beautiful. Take a look back here. Again, buckets in the second row, center console, all the goodies back here too. 3rd row seating. Again, what everybody talks about in these is how much room there is, even for a taller person, in the rear seats. All right, like I said, a little over 22,000 miles. We're going to go ahead and start this up a second. I just want to show you. There's no check engine lights, no warnings on anything like that. 22,095 miles at the moment. I'm not going to play around with a lot of stuff in here because you know what? I don't know how a lot of it works. All I know is it is very capable of performing pretty much whatever you need. There's your heated and ventilated seat controls, rear air seat. What was it? I believe a 10-inch screen, 12-inch screen they went to. And by the way, that's not doing that here in person. That's because it's on the video screen. What a vehicle. There you have it. 2018 Lincoln Navigator L. Boss's ride. A little over 22,000 miles on it. Touchpad out here too. I don't know if you noticed that. Actually touchpad. Entryway to get in also. I've been around on Fords a long time. It was very popular back in the Explorers. Once again, 2018 Lincoln L. Very luxurious vehicle. Nicely taken care of. 22-inch wheels. Black paint. Saddle interior. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. Or, of course, you can check out the still pictures. So you can check out, we actually took some of the underside just like we do in all our other vehicles, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or look down below in the description of this video. You can click on a link. It'll take you right to it, our website. Now, we do consider trades, too. Maybe you got a sports car you want to trade on this. You have an older classic. We do consider trades. Financing's available. And, of course, we can assist with getting this one transported to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.